Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's video is a Microsoft 365 quick fix dealing with find and replace. Tired of hunting through your spreadsheets, documents, presentations to fix those mistakes? Here's a super fast trick using find and replace. Let me show you. All right, so we're starting inside of this Excel file, and I want to be able to use find and replace. Control F, if I use Control F, that will pull up just the find option. If I use Control H, it brings up the replace. You can see they're right next to each other. There is a lot going on here. You can look within the sheet, the workbook by rows or columns, or with formulas. And you can also replace all or just replace one, find all, find the next. Looking here, I have project managers, and Alice Johnson is no longer a project manager, and I am going to replace all of her projects with Frank Miller. Now, I could first take this and sort it by just Alice Johnson. And now I'm going to say, I want you to find Alice Johnson and replace it with Frank Miller. There are 4 Alice Johnsons, so if I click replace all, it should replace 4 different entries. There we go. We made 4 replacements. So this is inside of Excel. We can also use it inside of Word. Let me show you. Now we're in a Word document. I can use Control F to bring up the find. Notice in Word, it uses headings to search. I could also do Control H to bring up replace. Find is right there, just like in Excel. I am all for reusing things. So if I am working with a project scope and it is a great project scope and I just want to create a new one using a different project name. So this current scope is called Project Yellowstone. So I want to find everywhere where it says Yellowstone and I want it to be replaced with Houston. Now, that is all throughout this document. So let's see how many replace alls it does. 6 replacements. Okay, now let me search for any Yellowstones and see if they are left. No results found, so it was completely finished. So there you go. So use Control H or Control F, give find and replace a try next time, and save yourself hours of scrolling and editing.